And this idea of resilience is simply that when there is a shock to whatever system it is, whether it is to the economy or to the ecological system, that the stewards of the system is able to, one, inform our people about what has happened, prepare them for what will happen, and develop the strategy to recover from loss and damage, and then to implement it. And that is how your government has been operating in ensuring that we have resilience. So yes, our forests have been damaged. They are recovering naturally. They may not recover at the pace that we would like or in a way that supports the economy and the society as we would like. But we know how. We have the knowledge and the know-how to support the recovery of the forest. And so we're going to do that. We're going to mobilize the resources, mobilize the people to help our forests to recover and to recover in a